The death of Pune businessman Ketan Agrawala has recently created massive sensation and social media. Initially, everyone believed it was accidentally death caused by sleeping, but it has taken shocking turn. What is the rule this spans Soya Goyal and lower Chaitanya Chaudhary? In this, let's find out completed truth in this video. Yes. On June 18th, 20-year-old Pune businessman Ketan Agrawala went to trek, trek to Lohgada port with his 20-year-old pal Soya Goyal. Their Chetana fell into a 350-foot depth valley and dead after the incident. Soya made a story saying Chetan flipped and fell well. Taking the photo, however, since the Ketan was experienced trekker, his family grew suspicious and failed police completed. When the police checked CCTV camera, they found that person named Chaitanya Chaudhary wearing the hoodie over his face was secretly following them. Horrifying truth come that was who came from behind and pushed Chetan into valley. The main reason this brutal murder is in secret love affair between Sia and Chetan Chaudhary. Sia and Chetan and each there since Diwali 2025 were in constant touch, but last February Sia got engaged to Chetan and their marriage was scheduled for November, fearing that cancelling the wedding would ruin her family reputation and case Mashu upward. At home, Sia insisted breaking off marriage, attached conspiracy with her love eliminated her parents. Is taking about the current updates just Sunday, the policy took the cases to Lohgada port and contacted crime creations. Police investigation during in interrogation it was revealed that Sia herself gave the single to her to lower to commit the murder. To stay safe, the sat down and instructed Chaitanya to push the behind their cones have been sent forensic lab and recovery 2,000 deleted call records and chats. It has also came to light that they had plotted the murder 3 times before this. The policy integrated Soya brother Sahil Goyal for 10 hours inquiry. Statements from Soya family. The Soya father Praveen Goyal started, "We don't even know we can Chetan is my 18, 19 world doctor incapable of doing such that thing." Soya's mother claimed Soya didn't want to go. Therefore, that day it was Chaitanya who forced her and looked her along. Reaction from Chetan family. Chetan father demand we justice for Sun's death and the case should be given severe punishment. The truth and future update. Currently, both Soya Goyal and Chetan Chaudhary are in policy custody unit. June 19th, one the deleted digital evidence is recovered. More shocking truth are likely image. This is case. This is just murder, but glaring example we what kind the raised forced and marriages and societal pressures can lead to. Viewers, in this entire incident a Mashu example how forced marriages and societal pressure can be result in a horrifying tragedy. Many believe that Soya and casually said to marriage life could have been saved. To connected with our channel to all future live update on this case. Thank you.